Do you know you can create a custom lock screen wallpaper just by typing a prompt on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? Let me show you how to do it. First, long press on an empty area on the home screen. Tap wallpaper and stand. Then tap the lock screen thumbnail. This will make sure the wallpaper is applied to the lock screen only. Next, tap the wallpaper icon at the top left. Under Create with AI section, tap Creative Studio Thumbnail. Then tap Create Wallpaper. Now, type your prompt in the Describe what you want to create field. If needed, you can change the style by tapping the style icon above the text field. For this example, let's use soft illustration. Then tap Generate. Your phone will now create a wallpaper based on your prompt. In the next screen, you can continue editing, but to keep things simple, just tap Done. Now adjust the wallpaper by moving or zooming it to fit your screen. Finally, tap Done to set it to your lock screen wallpaper. And that's how you create a lock screen wallpaper using an AI prompt on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.